to our English class student. In this class, we are going to discuss our new chapter, chapter number 10, A.R. Rahman, the musical genius. Yes, so let us start our new chapter. Allah Rakha Rahman, popularly known as A.R. Rahman. It is the most admired personality, respected music composer also. So, what is the meaning of admired? Admired means held in high regards. Yes, held in high regards. So, his music is popular not only in India but across the world. Yes, he is very famous in our India also, but also in our world. Yes, so but what is his dream? उसका ड्रीम क्या था? ए आर रहमान क्या बनना चाहते थे? एज ए चाइल्ड रहमान वॉन्टेड टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर. Yes, he wanted to become an engineer, but one incident changed his mind completely. What is the incident? Yes, let us see what is the incident. His father gifted him a piano, a keyboard, not a piano, it's a keyboard. His father gifted him a keyboard. So उसके पापा ने क्या किया था? ए आर रहमान के पापा ने उनको एक कीबोर्ड गिफ्ट किया था. So this particular gift is changed his mind completely. So his interest to music grow and grow until when he performed the keyboard. He played the keyboard. He became such an expert that he could play 4 keyboard at once. Yes, वो एक साथ 4 कीबोर्ड बजा सकते थे. And this was the beginning. This was the beginning of musical journey. Yes, not many knows that as a teenager, A.R. Rahman was a member of musical band that called Beats and Music. Yes, Roots and Music. Yes, at the beginning Rahman thought music was a means of make ends meet as a family struggle. When his journey started, जब उसका जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ म्यूज़िकल का, तब उसकी फैमिली क्या हुई थी? स्ट्रगल कर रही थी फाइनेंशली. यस, हिज फैमिली स्ट्रगल फाइनेंशली आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हिज फादर. उनके फादर की डेथ हो जाने के बाद उनकी जो फैमिली थी वो स्ट्रगल कर रही थी फाइनेंशली. इट वॉज द फिल्म डायरेक्टर मनी रत्नम हु डिस्कवर हिज टैलेंट एंड आस्क हिम टू compose the music of his film Tamil movie Rosa. Yes, जो तमिल के जो म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर है मनी रत्नम, उन्होंने उनका टैलेंट को फाइंड आउट किया. उनको बोला कि हमारे मूवी में आप म्यूज़िक कंपोज करो. देन ही रिसीव्ड द अमाउंट ऑफ 25,000 रुपीज़. उस फिल्म में म्यूज़िक कंपोज करने के लिए उन्हें 25,000 रुपीज़ पेमेंट मिला था. यस, द म्यूज़िक ऑफ द मूवी इज़ रियली फेमस. यस, दिख ही नहीं रहा है मुझे. The music of his film, but he more and more store for him. Yes, and the wind created history. His music is created a history. He is become famous on this film. Yes, as never before, the award for music composer given to first time music composer, and opened the door for his successful career in music. However, in music, spite of his success, fame, रहमान इज़ वेरी हम्बल मैन. रहमान वेरी हम्बल था हर किसी के लिए. वो उसको कोई भी प्राउड नहीं हुआ, उसको मतलब कोई भी घमंड नहीं था उसकी सक्सेस पे. वो बहुत ही हम्बल पर्सन है था. ही एंड हिज वाइफ सायरा बानो एंड ही इज़ क्वाइट पीसफुल. उनकी वाइफ का नाम सायरा बानो था और वो दोनों ही बहुत पीसफुल पर्सनालिटी थे. उनके 3 बच्चे थे. वन इज़ खजीता, रहीमा एंड अमीन. यस, 3 उनके 3 बच्चे थे. ही इज़ डन हिज क्लोज फ्रेंड. उसके 2 क्लोज फ्रेंड थे. वन ऑफ द क्रिकेटर सचिन तेंदुलकर एंड वन इज़ फ्रॉम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री रजनीकांत. यस, रजनीकांत उनके जो क्लोज फ्रेंड थे उनकी लिस्ट में नाम था. रजनीकांत का भी. रहमान believes that music is like the connecting language between people of different cultures, so he done has to begin spread in the world. Yes, with the view in mind, he opened his music academy known as KM Music Conservatory. So this music academy is inviting a new talent to become a good musician. So he opened the academy. So here our chapter is end here, student. I hope you like this chapter very well.